Welcome everyone. Today we are exploring one of the most powerful concepts in Python OOP, encapsulation. This is how professional developers protect data and write bulletproof code. Let's go.
Here's what you'll walk away with today. 1. Define encapsulation. 2. Understand public, protected, and private attributes. 3. Write getters and setters like a pro. 4. Apply these to real-world class design. Ready? Let's dive in.
Encapsulation means bundling your data and methods into one class and hiding the internal state from outside. My favorite formula, encapsulation equals data hiding plus controlled access. Think of a vending machine. You press buttons to get items but you cannot reach inside. The machine controls everything. That is encapsulation. Python uses naming conventions for access control. Public, no prefix, accessible anywhere. Protected, single underscore, for subclasses only please. Private, double underscore. Python applies name mangling, renaming the attribute internally. No hard walls, just clear signals. Respect them. Example 1. Bank account. The double underscore on balance makes it private. Nobody can write account.balance equals 1 million from outside. Python raises an attribute error. Every deposit and withdrawal goes through our methods, which validate the data first. The class is in control of its own state. Example 2. Student record with at property. Instead of ugly get and set methods, at property lets you write s.marks. Looks like an attribute but secretly routes through your getter. The atmarks.setter catches invalid values and raises a value error. Invalid data never reaches the private attribute. This is the Pythonic way.
Example 3. Employee salary system. 3 access levels at once. Public name, protected department accessible in the manager subclass, and private salary that even manager cannot touch. Plus a private method, calculate tax, completely hidden from outside. This is how real enterprise systems protect sensitive data. Look at this comparison table. All 3 examples side by side. Example 1 gave us private attributes and manual getters. Example 2 introduced at property with validation. Example 3 combined protected, private, inheritance and private methods. This is your complete encapsulation toolkit. Screenshot this slide. Common mistakes, listen carefully. Never leave attributes public with no validation. Anyone can set car.speed to -999. Fix it with a private attribute and an @property setter that clamps the value. Don't make everything private. That's over-engineering. And never return a mutable private list from a getter. Callers can secretly modify your internal state. 5 things to remember forever. 1. Encapsulation is about control, not secrecy. 2. Python trusts developers through conventions. 3. Always use @property over get/set methods. 4. Double underscore applies name mangling, not a true lock. 5. Encapsulation makes your code safer, cleaner and maintainable.
If today fired you up and you want to master Python from scratch to advanced OOP, join us at MMPRAO Software Solutions, Raghav Nagar, Mirpet, Hyderabad. Call us right now at 630-443-1039. One call and your Python journey begins. See you in class.